Hey everyone, it's Carol. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me for this look. Sit back and relax in the count of 3, 2, 1. I'm going to take the NYX because I did my skincare and I put on the sunscreen. Now I take the brush and wipe it on a tissue, and then I blend, and then I wipe, and then I blend. If you have the switch and go, great. If you don't, you can take a tissue, a microfiber cloth. We're going to do the foundation, and this is the All Hours foundation and the NYX foundation mixer because this is just a wee bit too light right now. So I want to do a demo of the same brush I used in another Get Ready With Me. It's such a great brush. I want to show you how really easy it is to use. It's the Core Diffuser Pro Sephora Core and Dome Diffuser number 94. So I'm going to just put that on my hand, shake the mixer up, and I have both. I have a white and I have this olive. But I really go through this. I think more of my foundations are too light for me. So I'm just going to scoop it up, and that's my foundation. Now I'll show you how fast this goes on. Now a sponge will take you a longer time because there's a lot of bouncing. But I do love my sponges too. But this, it's done. It's done. It's already mixed. Put it on the ears. It's already done. My concealer. And my contour. Right under the bone. Boop, boop. And then just go around. And don't forget to blend it in like I do. Okay, that's Benefit HOOLA, the stick. So easy, and it's creamy. It goes on to a creamy foundation. It's perfect. I'm going to put on some lips. The Melted Nude. This is gorgeous, gorgeous color. Make your lips a little bigger. And we'll see how it dries. I haven't used it in a long time. I used it yesterday, but I'm not sure how it dries. Whew. It's CC Airbrush Perfecting Powder. And I had put something wet, so it has locked it. So I have to scrape it off to get the powder unsealed from that wet application I did. So I just scraped it. I'll have to keep scraping it till I get all of it off. Okay. I just want the eyebrows. And this color matches me perfect. I can put this all over when I'm sweating, and it's in the summer months. Now in California, it's really starting to get hot in August, September, October, and November. It's like there's summer. So a lot of the schools are putting air conditions instead of putting heat. The schools don't need heat because it's hot most of the time that they're in school. So let's blend, and I don't go up too high on the concealer because that closes your eye. I have this Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Blush by Urban Decay. And I'll use this brush from ZOEVA. I forgot about that. It's the Luxe Face Definer. Oh, that's good. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. Video. It's a soft nude. It's a nude color. It's great. I have a link below. Woo-hoo-hoo. I like my blush up high. And I like to put some on my eyes. And I'm also going to put some of this L'Oreal Infallible Paints Metallic in Moonlust. Just right there. More liner over here. I ordered some very unique eyelash glue, and I ordered some new eyelashes. So when they come, I'll show you. The eyelash glue sets instantly. You could just put it on and put the lashes on. So I got it on Amazon. I put it in my Amazon store if you want to see it. But I didn't try it yet. But I've watched YouTube videos on it, and it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, but we'll try it out, we'll test it out, and then I'll let you know. Now, if it wasn't so hot and sweaty here, I would put this on. I mean, I could put just a little. Oh, it's so nice. You get a little shimmer. It kind of looks wet. The e.l.f. eyebrow in, I believe this is taupe. It has a spoolie here, which I always lose the cover, and it's got a nice little point. So we're going to do that today. This is really good for moving your hair down. See that? Look at that for the frizzies. I haven't used this in a while. I've been using the Tattoo Pomade by Maybelline. Tattoo Studio. I do love this too. So I just lay down the basic outline. And I go above where my tail was. I have to shave this over here. I would either tweeze it or shave it, but I like to shave it now. Just goes boop, like that, it's done. See, I'm probably one of the only women you know that brushes their brows down. I always tell you could brush them down, but I mean, everybody I see brushes them up. If I brush them up, they're too high, and there's a big space here. So I'm trying to fill in the space. So I brush them down. See? Filled it right in. I'm trying to put some product on without putting too much. There you have to find the right color. So it kind of blends in with your skin, and it doesn't look too much like makeup. Okay, mascara now. Mascara. So let's go. I think my lashes are starting to grow from the Lash Grande, and this mascara is pretty good too, but I think my lashes are starting to grow now because I could see them. And my opinion on this mascara is I do absolutely love it. Oh, how about a little selfie powder? I need powder over here because it's very beachy. You know, I'm not in the desert anymore. So the Wonder 2 Perfect Selfie Powder is just perfect. If you made your eyebrows too dark, it's perfect to put a little bit over that with a cotton or a tissue or a brush or a sponge, and you could just pale out your brows a little. So now I'm just gonna fix my hair, finish my soup, and I'll be right back. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all being here. I hope you have a wonderful week. Don't forget to press the subscribe button if you haven't, or the like, and please share the video with your friends and your family. remember, I love you because I can see you. I can see you. It's like romper room. And you can and hit the like button. I don't know what to say.